Okay, are you ready to go live, Ollie? Are you ready?
Yeah, sure I am.
Okay, right. No, don't be pulling faces like that. Hello and welcome. I am Michael Coates, and this here is Ollie, and I am the founder and creator of a website called thesewingguru.com. Is that me, is it? And we've come on today because we've got some great freebies and we have a coupon. Now, if you like our videos, this is only for people on YouTube, right? If you just hold this up, Ollie.
Click the bell!
Right, that's right. So we're going to just put that, they can't see you, Ollie, so we're going to put that there. So if you like our videos, subscribe and click the bell. Now what that does is you will be notified whenever we have a video that comes onto YouTube. This doesn't apply to the people on Facebook, but for YouTube, make sure you click that bell there, because then
that black one.
That's right. You will then be notified whenever we create a new video.
Oh, what are those things?
That basically means that you've clicked it. That's what that is.
No,
that's an icon.
Ding.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay, so that is the bell. Now, we also have an amazing money off coupon to the Sewing Guru website. And as you can see there, Sew 65. Now, this gives you 65% off any recurring membership. Now, I'm going to get further into that later on in the video. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can input that in and get your 65% off your full membership to the Sewing Guru. 65% off, and that goes for any recurring membership. Now, that's a lot of money off. That's a massive reduction, is that? So, it's well worth doing. It really is. And I'm going to show you in a moment. I'm going to go live. I'm going to show you everything of how to get that. Now, we've got within the description, we have a link for a free membership, and we've also got a link for 15 sewing e-tips, and it's all completely free. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go, let's move out of the way, I'll leave it. I'm just going to get onto the live internet, right? And when you click the link for the free e-tips, this is what pops up. You will get a form like this. Just fill out the form and you will be able to download your 15 sewing e-tips, which is absolutely superb. It really is. So do that. Click the link and you'll be able to get 15 free e-tips. Now I'm going to also go back to the internet now, because I'm going to show you how to get a free membership and also how to input that coupon code into the payment page where you can get your 65% off. So should we go live, Ollie? Should we, well, not go live, we're live now, but should we go to the internet and show them how to do that? Okay, we'll do that. That is what Ollie thinks we should do, so let's do that. Let's go.
A thumbs up.
Okay, brilliant. Right, so I'm going to go to the internet. Let's click over to Google. Right, so if you go to Google, type in the box here, The Sewing Guru. Oh, I've spelled that wrong. Guru. Okay, click, enter it, and you will see the Sewing Guru on there. Now that will take you to the website. Now what will happen as well is you will see a pop-up here. It says get our latest offers. If you put your email and your name in there, you will be entered into our emailing list, and you will always keep up to date with our latest offers. So let's click that cookies off. Now for a free membership, all you do, click up here, free membership. And again, that takes you to a form like this. Fill out the form and you will gain a free membership. So what we're going to do is we are now going to put in the coupon. So you click sign up here. Now these are all of the membership options. Now you don't need to do it here because it's a free membership, but this applies to all of the recurring payments. Okay, so you've got recurring payment here. We've got a recurring payment plan here and another one here, and we have a 12-month one here. So what you need to do is click here, buy now. It's as simple as that. It really is. Really, really simple. Just click buy now. And I'll just type in something here. Right, okay. We're going to go back. We are going to go back now. Right, what are you doing, Ollie? Don't do that. Right, we're going to go back to the internet. I've got it all set up now. I'm going to go back to the internet, live internet here. Now, what happens is when you click any of the recurring memberships, you can then log into the site and you will be able to get a coupon code here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to type in SO65. Okay, and we're going to, for instance, just pay with Stripe. Pay. There you go. Now see that? Straight away, what happens is it will create, it was $142. Then with that code, look at that. You get a discount of $92.30. All you've got to pay is $49.70, and that gives you 12 months access to the Sewing Guru. 12 months access. So it's as simple as that. It really is. It is as simple as that. That's it. That's all you do. So put that coupon into the payment page and you will get your money off. It's as simple as that. That's it. So we've got some great things. We've got the free e-tips, you've got a free membership, and you've got a fantastic coupon code. Do you want to hold this up again, Ollie?
I want to get it.
Oh, okay, there we go. So don't forget, now it is in the description if you don't see it, but don't forget, it's a bit reflective actually. Hold it up there like that. Put it in front of me, Ollie. There we go. So 65. So 65. That is
So 65. So 65.
65. That is
So
the coupon
65.
code because it relates to 65% off any recurring membership. So this works for any of the recurring memberships. So 65. So don't forget that coupon and you will get your 65% off. And you know what else is fantastic about this offer? It doesn't just work for 1 year, or if you decide to go for a monthly or a 3-month membership. That code there, the 65% off, works for every single month or 3-month or 6-month, whatever you decide to go for, recurring like that, and it will always take off the 65% for you. So for instance, a 12-month membership, you pay $49.70 every year. It doesn't go back to the $142. It stays at $49.70. You always get the 65% off every single year because you have taken advantage of this fantastic offer with that coupon. So it's a great thing, don't you think? It is brilliant. And the Sewing Guru, if you don't already know about it, what it is, it's a sewing learning website. And there is everything there. There's for the beginner. In fact, I'm going to show you, to be honest with you. That would be a lot better, wouldn't it? I'm going to show you. Let's go back. I'll just get this ready. Do you want to say something, Ollie? Let's have a look at you. Right.
I would like to say, why is that number there with those white eyes? There, with that on the screen. Why is the eyes on there?
I'm not sure what that is, Ollie. Ollie's looking at another screen. I think, is it 4 people watching? I don't know. I don't know what that is.
I think it's the people watching.
Is
so
it? Do you think it is?
Yeah, I think it might be. Wait, there's 2 now. I think there's 2 people watching.
Well, you're going to wave then at the people who are watching.
Hello to people.
That's it, brilliant.
One people.
So
Hello, one people.
we're ready now. So we're gonna go back to the internet now. As you can see here, what I've done is I've logged in to the full members area, and as you can see here, you've got beginners courses, advanced lessons, clothing alterations section, petwear collections, sewing crafts, measuring, pattern construction, accessories, so like bow ties, cravats, that sort of thing, skirt collection, dress, jacket with a shawl collar, these are the tailored items, a standard jacket, an industrial jacket, and a ladies tailored jacket, waistcoat, 2 different types of waistcoats there, jeans collection,
so many.
Tents trousers, 2 different gents trousers, ladies trousers, the jeans there, they're like trousers, the jeans, the tunic, gents shirt, and pyjamas. It is absolutely massive. So if I go to the beginners courses, you can then choose here. So you've got a sewing machine course and the beginners course. So the sewing machine course here, what that is when it loads in. Sorry about this, our internet's a little bit slow.
Yes, it is. There we go, now it's back.
Was it loaded in yet? There we go, it's loaded in. Right, so this here is just the sewing machine course. So just the sewing machine course alone, you've got here 10 videos showing you exactly how to use a sewing machine. Look at that. All these videos. It's just absolutely unbelievable. The site is that big, it's amazing. And not only that, the site works on every platform that you could think of. So it works on an iPad, it works on a tablet, it works on a mobile phone, PC, you know, as I've shown you there. It works
and
on every
iPad.
single thing. And an iPad, Ollie, you're right. It works on an iPad.
About an iPad.
I said the iPad. So okay, well, we've mentioned it now, haven't we? We mentioned the iPad, so it works on every single platform. So you can basically take the Sewing Guru with you. So if you, say, are at college or you're studying somewhere or whatever you're doing, you can take the Sewing Guru with you and you can then log in and refresh your skills, because that's why it's so brilliant.
And
You know, you can refresh your skills with it.
you have 9 days off.
Oh, he's talking about, yeah, right. Do you want to, so basically what he's talking
We have 9 days off.
9 days off. Right. So basically what it is Ollie has just finished school today. He's on his holidays now. And he's got 9 days off. So he's got 2 weekends and 5 days in between. 9 days off.
Yeah.
It's great, isn't it?
When I was at school, I got a sticker from Phonics.
Did you?
Yeah.
What, saying well done?
Yeah, because I've got book 2 with alien words and real words.
Book 2?
Yeah. Did you not see it? Because you were.
I think you showed me. Yes, yeah.
No, because
So
you
you
were
have to
doing
read.
a silly face. and
So
you
you
didn't-
have to read phonics book 2.
Yeah, I want to read Phonics book 1 first and then Phonics book 2.
Right. Okay.
I've got 2 books. I've got 2 alien word books.
So
and 2
you say
real
Ollie
words.
likes his phonics and everything else. You do
Yeah,
like
I
it, don't you?
alien words and real words.
Right. Okay. And you like to read your books as well, don't you, Ollie? Yeah. Love
I've got
school.
2
Does he
new
love
books.
school?
I've got 2 new books.
Right, well, we will have a look at those later on. We'll have a look at those books later on. But for now, what I was saying was the Sewing Guru is absolutely brilliant tool to learn with, and you can sort of dip in and out. Do you want to sit down, Ollie? We don't want you falling off. You can dip in and out. So say if you need to brush up on how to make a upper welt pocket, for instance. Okay, now this here is an upper welt pocket. If you needed to dip, right, watch out. What did I say, Ollie? You need to be careful. We don't want you hurting yourself. Just be careful, Ollie. Right, if you wanted to make an upper welt pocket, you could dip in, have a look, see how, brush up on how to do that, and then go away again. Or, you know, if you wanted to make a full-on garment, like a tailored jacket or a tailored pair of trousers or whatever, you can brush up on that. Or if you are a complete beginner, there is sewing, you know, there's a course on that for, right, Ollie, don't do that. Don't do that. don't do that. Everybody can see you, son. You don't be showing that. Right. So yeah, so it's brilliant. It's a great thing. So just before we go, we're gonna go now. Don't forget, Coupon code SO65. So don't forget that, because you will then get your 65% off. Now these,
click the bell.
yeah, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to click the bell, because then you'll be notified whenever we go, whenever we put a video on. You'll be notified, because if you don't click the bell, YouTube won't notify you. That's what they do. They don't notify you. So please click the bell. Yeah, so that's basically it, isn't it, Ollie? Yeah? Are you going to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
And we will see you again in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. And hopefully we'll see you with another fantastic offer. Now the thing is, these offers don't last forever. They're, you know, so get yourself in quick, because the coupon could just expire at any time. So get yourself in quick and get the 65% off, because it really, really is worth doing. It really is. You save a lot. 65% off. You do save a lot of money. Actually, with a 12-month membership, you save a lot.
That's a lot of money.
It is, isn't it, Ollie? It really is.
Yeah. If you get 65.
65% off, yeah.
That would be a lot of money.
It's great. It's a lot of money off, actually. Any recurring membership.
Don't forget to click the bell.
Don't forget to click the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.